What is up, man? We back with another trading recap. Oh, trading trading recap for the week. So we're just gonna review all these trades, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So first trade that I took was on Monday. It was a NAS trade, and this trade it was cool. Like it had a minor break of structure. Like it broke these. It was breaking these lows, so I just took it, and I liked how it was reacting to the zone. And you see, like, literally, I actually got a 2-to-1 on this trade, man. I'm telling you, I've been getting better at, holding these trades, and that's exactly what I did. I got a 2-to-1 on this, like, for real. Like, my goal was to hold it, like, all the way up there, and that's what I did. Bro, wait. All right, it was for real, like, a 2-to-1, like, in real time. I'm trying to, like, yeah, it was a 2-to-1. So it actually ended up like going up for the rest of the day. Like this ended up being a little setup because it broke this structure, and then you see it like just keeps on going up. But I didn't take that. I mean, honestly, that would have been good to take too. Just taking this right here. Yeah, that would have been sweet. I ain't gonna lie, you could have got another 2-to-1. So Nas was just giving dubs on Monday, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this was a solid setup. Let's look at the 15. We're going with the trend still. You see, London was really just like not really doing much. It's kind of like in consolidation a little bit. Like it went down for a bit, but 1 hour, we're still going with the trend. So solid trade overall. Next trade was GU. This is the type of setup that I was talking about last week. My bad for the yawning, man. But last week I literally was saying like New York likes to do what London, like the opposite of what London did. So this was like a little risky just because the breaking structure wasn't like super clear. But as you can see, we are going up. Like we're high, man. We're high from London session. And we're starting to go down now. Oops. Like it looks like, we're breaking structure, and it's just like market structure. We're going down. So I'm like, okay, bet. Like we might make a little. Let me just make like a. Let me draw. Where do I draw? I'm thinking it's gonna be like, like that. You know how the pattern the market makes. So that's what I choose to do. Take this trade. I just go for the 1-to-1 because I already won on NAS, which was honestly a good decision because it ended up going back up and then went down again. But yeah, it was a solid just 1-to-1. Took it, and it did end up going down for the day, but it just took out this zone at first, and then it started going down. Yep. But if I'm being honest, if I was waiting, I could have gotten a better setup. Just knowing that we wanted to mirror London. Mirror London session. And I could have got this one because this was a better break of structure. It's more clear. Right here, it's way more clear. So this would have been a solid position to get into. Probably could have got like a 3-to-1 off this. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe a 5-to-1. Well, close, like 4-to-1. I probably would have just targeted down here. And that could have helped you out a lot, man. Q4 is grimy sometimes, but what I've been noticing is that the risk to reward on some of these trades have been crazy. Like NAS giving back-to-back 2-to-1s. GU giving 4-to-1. And even with these next two trades I'm about to show you, bro. This was on Friday. So I took 2 on Monday, 2 on Friday. This EJ trade really did piss me off, bro. Because I'm looking at it and I'm like, bro, this looks amazing. You know what I'm saying? We're going with the trend. London session is like low key, like consolidating, like up, little trace, little trace back, pull back. And then, all right, we finally reached the zone again. I'm like, let's get it, bro. We're going with, we had a 15-minute setup inside of here too. We're going with the 1 hour. Like, bruh, this looked splendid. Like, you gotta target this gap down here. Like, you could target these lows. I don't know. This was just looking like a great trade. And I know EJ likes to go down for a while. It has been doing that so much lately. Like, this day it just went up all day. Here it's just going down. Like, here on the setup, it's going down forever. Like, bro. So I was looking, to target like down here for EJ. But here's what happened. So I get in right here, break a candle like usual. Shout out Doyle, man. And I see it closes, like it goes under, like we're close to the TP, like almost there. And then it ends up closing under like the break a candle. So when I look at stuff like this, I've honestly just noticed that your trade has a higher chance of losing. So I just made a rule for myself, like after this trade, and I looked at my other trades. Like if it goes above the high of your break a candle and your break a candle closes within like the previous candle, like this is exactly what's happening here. If it goes above, bro, just close. Like I could have saved. Okay, we had like a 15 pip stop loss. I could have made it 9 pips. I could have saved myself 6 pips, which if I'm trading 1%, bro, like that's saving you like a decent amount. And you see like it just went up after that. And the bad part about this, bro, is that I just took my L. I took the full L, 1, and then 2, I was not looking to re-enter. And this was actually the second trade I took on Friday, by the way. I took this GU trade up here before, which I feel like might have been the reason why I lost this one again. Like, here's the second time we could re-enter right here. And I just wasn't at my laptop no more. I was kind of irritated. The 1-to-1 hit. And it went exactly, like it literally did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Like I would have held it down here, ended up going for like a 7-to-1, I think. I'm pretty sure. Like, yeah, it just went down so much. Bro, go 94 pips. Yeah, it went for like a 7-to-1. And I literally just missed all of it, bro. And that's irritating. And that is stuff that I'm not trying to do next year, bro. Like, I'm not trying to do that no more, man. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. And I just got to like keep getting my mind right. Like it's definitely a continuous process. And I'm glad that I'm actually seeing these setups. And this was actually a very high quality setup. So I was very confident in it. Like this GU trade, it wasn't like the most high quality. I didn't take this one. I took this one over here. It wasn't the most high quality. And this one was pretty good too. So I'm really like glad with these first 3 trades that I took. Like they were pretty high quality setups. And then you got this GU setup, which I didn't really like. I'm not gonna lie. It looks similar to the first NAS setup that I took, but we're actually like, it's like kind of the same setup in terms of like the EMAs and stuff like that, where the EMA is located, but you see how long it's taking to get back down to the zone. And I wasn't even gonna take this at first, bro. And I already see like, bro, I did not want to re-enter on this trade either, by the way. So this trade was something that I wasn't gonna take, bro. I was just gonna wait for EJ all day. I was gonna wait for EJ, man. So you already see like it's reacting to the 200 and it closed below the break of candle. And the reason you want to still take like the regular break is because like you never know what could happen, your trades can still win even if it does this, right? So I guess it's really up to you, but I should have got this trade right when it went below. Like, not even taking no chances, bro. This could have been a good time to get out. It was only a 4 pip stop loss. I could have cut it in half. So, yeah, that was annoying. You see it's reacting to the 200 again, bro. And it's like, dang. And it just goes down even more. And the crazy part about this, which I'm not even mad about because I wasn't going to re-enter, but the re-entry won. The re-entry won, man. As you can see, it literally wins, bro. Goes for that 1-to-1. You could have targeted the 200 or whatever, but it won. It won, man. And that was annoying. Well, this wasn't annoying, but the EJ trade was annoying. This wasn't even a solid setup, bro. The zone is huge, first of all, and then you got the 200 right there. For Nas, the zone is not huge, but you still got the 200 right there. But this one is like a huge zone. You got the 200, bro, and then see the 15. Oh, it did have the 15-minute confluence too. And we're also like pretty high on this. Like, we've been trending upwards since Wednesday. It's Friday. What happened the rest of the day? Like, yeah, we ended up going down, man. It was time to make a correction, bro. You know, the market's not going to trend for that long. On the 1 hour, I mean, we're still bullish, but it's just like, what even is this price action, bro? What even is this? Made that double top. I should not have taken this trade. It's okay though. You know, we just keep on learning. As long as I keep on learning and I keep on applying this stuff, bro, I'm gonna be good, because I've really been trading like this strategy since May. And it takes time for you to learn things and figure out like what works for you and what doesn't, what setups you're comfortable with. And yeah, that's really all it is, man. So that's what I have for this week. We're going to keep learning, man. We're going to keep learning. I think we're taking better setups, but we just got to be more patient. Like, this setup was literally like something that I didn't even want to take at first, but I just took it. Like, you know, I got to take the setups I'm more confident in. Like, I could have got so much off this, bro. Like, let's just like put ourselves in like what we're trying to be like in our shoes. So, you know, catch like 4% off this trade. You know what I'm saying? And then in this trade, you got your little 1%. This trade, you don't even take. And then this trade, it was a 2-to-1 that I caught. You get 2%. So 4, 2, 1. Like, could have made 7% this week. You know what I mean? You could have made 7%. And on a 50K account, that's $3,500. And then you could have went 3-0 this week, you know? $3,500, bro. That's life-changing money for somebody like me. But I just need to focus on taking the solid setups. Okay, it wouldn't have been 3,500. It would have been a little less because of me like taking this first L. But we got to make sure we're precise with ourselves and we trust what we're doing and we keep on doing it and we just let the results speak for themselves. But we have to keep on trusting the process. Shout out Joel Embiid, man, you know.